Dr. Blumenthal here with you in the DC office with Natural Transplants, and we are pumped. We got Jonathan with us today. We got an awesome case today. Jonathan, take it away, man. What brings you here? How'd you find us? All that stuff.
So I actually just I went on Google, just happened to find you guys through a Google search, and I checked out a lot of the other reviews, and you guys were definitely the highest. Cool. So I figured that would be the safest.
Yeah.
I just came in today just because my hairline, I'm sure like plenty of other men's out there in the world, is dropping back a little bit, and I'd just like to see it return to a normal state here. So
awesome, man.
Yep, I came all the way from Cumberland, Maryland.
Yeah.
I'm really happy to be here.
Nice to have you, man.
Blumenthal does great work from everything I've seen.
Awesome.
So.
Very good.
Yep.
So as Jonathan said, I'll kind of pull your hair back again. We're going to focus on the hairline today and the corners, maybe a little temple work. We'll see what we need to do. Good and bad about having young, wonderful, thick set of hair behind it. It's awesome that he's got good, thick hair like we talked about, but the transplanted density is not going to match the natural native density. So we talked about potentially needing what I call that second coat of paint in the future to make it more, more matching, and or he may lose more hair in the future like anybody can. And so, typically for my young guys, I will tell them this is probably your first, not your only procedure you're going to have, either because you may need a second coat and or losing more hair in the future. So we already talked about that. So it's not a shock to him. But we'll draw out all the line, draw out the line, do a little bit of shaving, and then we'll check back in with you in a little bit. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Cool. Awesome. All right. We are back with Jonathan. He has decided to shave his head.
Yes.
You do not have to do that, so don't let everybody freak out. His just sort of looked better shaved than not. And I actually said he actually kind of looks good with shaved.
We almost don't need the transplant.
It's going to be expensive haircut. But I'm going to zoom in here. So we're going to, again, focus on that hairline, the first 2 to 3 fingers around here. I am going to go in here if we have, extras. I'm not going to hit it quite as hard as the outer area because he still has some decent density here. But overall, I think I love the line. He's happy with the line. And you ready to roll?
I'm all good
Awesome.
to go.
We'll check in with you when you're in the other room. All right.
Yes, sir.
Cool. All right, we survived. Jonathan is done. Congrats, man.
Thank you.
Tell everybody how the day went.
Day was great. They fed me. They talked to me all day. They joke with you. They
got you drunk. Got you high on the laughing gas.
Yeah, they give you tons of laughing gas to get you through the needles in the back and the front. Perfect. Can't recommend anyone else more. This has been a great experience. Blumenthal and the rest of the crew all do a great job.
Love it.
You guys have done some life-changing stuff for me.
Man. It was fun. I'm going to have Zane zoom in because it was fun, but we also kicked ass. I think we really crushed this and really filled it in. Did a great job of it. I'm going to dab that so that it doesn't start dripping down your face. But I love, we really crushed it, really filled it in really nice and tight. Take it easy for the next 2 weeks. I'll call you tomorrow to check on you. Welcome to the family. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
Any words of advice? If someone was out there kind of on the fence, I may do this, may not, I'm scared, what would you recommend?
If you are scared, it is not anywhere near as bad as you're thinking it is, and you've probably been through much, much worse. Yeah. And if you're nervous about maybe people judging you for getting it done, just look at how handsome all these guys are.
and you'll be,
how I'll be.
Right, exactly.
Definitely come get one done if you're thinking about it. They'll take care of you.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Awesome. Thank you, guys.
All right, man.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.